Bato Springs Resort is located in the town of San Pablo City, Laguna, 2 hours drive from Manila. It is located between the Mount Cristobal and Mount Banahaw. It was established in 1981, where it was first a river and then later on developed into a better version of what it is right now. Bato Springs Resort is a perfect getaway to lessen the heat this summer and keep your coolness. With natural spring water flowing in the area, cold and chill vibes will surely be touching your inner hotness. Literally speaking, the water is too cold at day and even colder at night. Refresh your way to a better day. Thank you for watching.